I'll be asking 10 rapid-fire questions about animals. Answer as quickly and accurately as possible. 1. What is the national animal of India? A. Tiger. B. Elephant. C. Lion. D. Rhino. Answer A. Tiger. 2. How many legs does a spider have? A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. D. 10. Answer C. 8. 3. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Horse. D. Deer. Answer A. Cheetah. 4. What is a group of owls called? A. Flock. B. Pack. C. Parliament. D. Colony. Answer C. Parliament. 5. What is the biggest living snake species? A. Boa constrictor. B. Anaconda. C. Python. D. Rattlesnake. Answer B. Anaconda. Help me improve the quiz. If you found any questions tricky, mention them in the comments. I'm curious to see how everyone did. Share your score and any questions you had in the comments.